Dirtbikes loaded up. The lighting's not that great. We got Colton, Darius, myself, and Darius's e-bike. And we are gonna go check out Talking Rock MX today. It's about an hour 40 drive. Supposed to be there at 12:30. And it's about 11. So gotta get on it. Had to get some gas, and then we gotta go get some food real quick. Looks like we're gonna have to go with the old Dunkin' Donuts today, because Starbucks, you guys know how that goes, man. It'll probably take us 30, 45 minutes just to get through the line, so.
What are you doing?
What are you?
Come on, let's go.
I know, let's go. What are you doing?
Go, bro.
What are you?
Already.
You look like Spider-Man up there.
Just gonna call me something else.
Oh, no, I would not. All right, let's go.
Camera's out.
I gotta see the menu. Ooh, I may fuck around and give me some munchkins one time.
Yeah?
Assorted 25 munchkins.
This food sucks.
What she get?
Hi, thank you for choosing Dunkin'. How can I help you?
Yeah, what's cracking lacking up into his hay? Give me 1 second, please.
Okay, take your time.
I bet. Yeah, let me throw down one of them bacon, egg, and cheese.
Croissant?
Nah, not a croissant. The damn bagel right up in there.
We are all out of plain bagels.
Bro, you nah, you tripping.
No, I'm not.
You gotta be tripping on me, girl.
I'm not, but we have everything, multi-grain, cinnamon raisin, and sesame.
Shit, I guess I'll go ahead and roll me a croissant.
Okay.
And then let me get it. What kind of drink y'all got up in here? I know I want a coffee, but.
Do you want an iced coffee or a hot coffee? Or do you want a latte?
I want some ice.
Okay, maybe you can have like an iced coffee with caramel.
Oh yeah, I want something with some caramel up in there.
Alright, what size?
Medium.
Medium? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want cream and sugar?
Yeah.
Alright, anything else?
And then what now?
Anything else for you?
Well, what is that called that I'm getting?
It is called a medium iced coffee with caramel, cream, and sugar.
How about one of them iced caramel macchiato?
You want that instead?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, and then I'm gonna throw down a second order right quick.
Alright, that one is $8.99. Go ahead just a second.
Hello, can I get 25 assorted munchkins?
Well, unfortunately, we only have blueberry and about 7 chocolate.
Okay, that will be perfect. Can I get all of them in 25?
Okay. Anything else?
And also, like my main man said, can I get me a sausage, egg, and cheese croissant?
You just want one?
Does the 2 for $5 come with that?
No.
Okay, then just one though.
Okay.
And that will be it.
Alright, you can come to the window.
Okay, on the way.
Okay, see you soon.
Oh shit, where's my wig at? Ew! What?
Hurry up, she looking!
I need some stuff.
She was looking at the window.
She looking for all types of Iranian motherfuckers.
Hey y'all.
Hi, how's it going?
Hello.
It's going good.
Yeah, stop blocking my view,
Okay,
girl.
it's gonna be $8.99.
Alright.
Yeah, who took the first order?
I did.
You did?
Obviously.
Okay, it's gonna be $8.99.
He kills it. He's the one that kills it right here.
Like, what the heck?
Hello.
He's like, what?
Hello, do you have my
That
donuts?
second order.
We've been doing too much prank calls lately, so
Oh damn.
there you go.
Here's that for you.
Thanks.
She said, obviously.
And now we're just making food.
Bullshit, hell. She couldn't give me 2 for $5 like she offered you.
Yeah. Damn, son, you got good as that Indian accent. Fucking owner gonna fucking destroy your shit though. You know what's funny is normally when you come here, The dude
Dirtbike.
is straight Indian.
Yeah.
Like,
Hello, I want the strongest coffee so I can come shit in your toilet.
Alright, let's see what these look like.
oh man, it smells
what the
strong
hell?
as shit.
Look like some damn. Someone took a damn bite out of this motherfucker.
I wouldn't be surprised. ask him.
They hard as a rock though.
Ask him what happened.
Listen.
It's right here.
That's up to you.
From that girl over there.
What's that?
That's from her. The blonde girl.
Oh hell yeah, that.
Here's your food.
And then also, hey man, I think someone took a bite out of one.
Yeah, no, he for real brought it out of the box like that.
Just toss it, I'll get you.
You gonna give me one more?
Yeah.
You're straight, you're straight.
Man, we gotta fucking go.
Yeah, quit being a jackass.
Wait, what is
Man,
that?
we 2 for 2, baby.
He's on a hot
Let
streak.
me
You
see
know how
what
we
it
do?
is. What is that, a number?
Yeah.
No, YouTube about to go on.
So yeah, we made it out here, Talking Rock MX. Colton's already spun a couple laps out there. How's the track, Colton?
It's pretty swell, pretty swell. It's alright. A little hard pack, but we're getting there.
So yeah, I think the track looks absolutely amazing personally. I'll show you guys. Dirt looks prime. There's Bradley back in the cut today. Last time we rode this track, Bradley actually blew up his dirt bike. Really cool track layout for sure. It's different. Got a really nice sized tabletop right here. On a 250, it's like wide open to huck. So I'm on my 450 today. Should be pretty easy. Just having a nice little ride day with the boys, you know. I was actually out here also training another rider. He's only 13 years old on 250F and he's got like amazing form. He's really, really fast too. So hopefully I'll get some footage of him to drop in here as well.
Someone please save us college kids. What my parents told me is what I did. They said go to school and be a college kid, but in the end I question why I did. I'm poor, I'm starving, I'm flat broke, I've got no cash to spend. Sell all my books for front row tickets to Dave Matthews Band. My girlfriend's at another school, I know this year will test her. I found out she had 3 other boyfriends last semester. And that's why I say not for me, not for me. Call it torture, call it university. Arts and crafts is all I need. I'll take calligraphy and then I'll make a fake degree. Take your finals and your midterms. The party scene is kinda mean, I think it's sick and twisted. The Navy showed up at my dorm and claimed that I enlisted. And that's why I say not for me, not for me. Call it torture, call it university. Arts and crafts is all I need. I'll take calligraphy and then I'll make a fake degree. Get excited, just say no without a doubt, you see. And I decided college girls just won't go out with me. They make me nervous and they always catch me off my guard. Like cell phone service, I drop out cause college is too hard. It's time to call my father, cause it's his alma mater. Good grades aren't what they seem, I think he knows the dean. It's time to call my father, cause it's his alma mater. He says he's proud of me, but college
training's been going really well out here. For an AMA 12-year-old, he's riding really good. We try to work on a lot of like him holding it longer into the corners, like the braking and trying to gas it and get on the gas a little sooner. But his form is really good. Riding really great. I'll show you some footage right now. Especially for just getting on the 252, he came off of 125, but he's riding really good. How do you think he's riding?
Him?
Yeah.
He's pretty solid.
For 13 years old?
Yeah, I was about to say, I can't believe he's only 13.
Yeah. Got him to hit this jump today too, so that was good. That was a plus. How you feel out there?
Straight. My hands are, it's cold.
Cold?
It's cold. I feel like the temperature's dropping again.
Yeah. This dirt's pretty good though, isn't it?
Yeah, I love this dirt.
Yeah, this dirt is sick. Dude, I got this hole when I ride. It's like my middle finger keeps coming out. It's pretty annoying.
I see it.
Yeah, you see it?
I see it.
No, but it really does. Like, I'm not even joking. But yeah, you like that table right here?
Yes, sir. Big fan, baby. How long you think it is?
She told me.
What is it?
She said it was 325 feet.
Hell no.
She said it was 87 feet.
Okay.
She said it used to be 120 feet, so.
Yeah, the one I hit yesterday was 120.
Really? I think we'll just go with 120 feet long. Probably be pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta redo that one. Come on, let's see a wheel. Oh!
Is that a gas?
Yeah. Dude, you're out of gas. Yeah. Bro. You got the gas?
Dude, this right here, your feet came off the pegs, didn't it?
You wanna know what happened?
You almost died.
Let me tell you what happened. That jump right there, I have my foot out in the corner and I went to put it on the peg and I put it standing up and I put it on the rear brake up the face of that with no gas. Look, so I'm wide open, I let off and then slammed the rear brake at the very time. This guy. Good to go now. Mess that corner up for him?
Bro, feel my clutch. It's rock fucking hard.
Oh!
It's been doing it all day, and then it'll go soft.
was pretty good because this corner was blown out. See how there's the rut? That was over. That was See? One person went over right here and it ruined it for everybody. There's nothing worse than when one person blows out a rut and it just messes it up.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Got sketched you a few times.
Don't think so.
I seen you almost like backflip and all that jump.
Oh yeah, definitely. It was great though.
Yeah. We had the whole track to ourselves today, and that was the best part about it.
Yeah, track was good for sure too.
I
It was
mean,
fully prepped.
yeah, it was. And we just came to screw it up.
Yep.
You dig what I'm saying?
I dig, brah. I dig.
Oh, jump. I didn't even see the cows over there. Come on. We gotta go over there. Wait, you're probably gonna scare them with the bike. Damn, we should have rode these instead of the bikes. What up? Chill. Look, this one's like,
Yo, what's up? We're good? What you guys doing? Eating some food?
damn, we should have rode these instead of the bikes.
You want to ride? Huh? You can come ride if you want. Alright guys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video for today. Thank you guys so much for checking this video out. Feel free to drop a like, a comment, and you know, if you haven't already, subscribe.